Hi everyone! If you want to improve your vocabulary and speak more fluently, then you're in the right place. I'm Kate, your English teacher, and my goal for you is not only to learn new English words, but to be able to use them. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any new videos. Today we're gonna learn some advanced English words so that you can use to sound more natural. In today's lesson, we'll practice changing some simple words with the adverb very into advanced words. Number 1, very dirty. Instead of saying very dirty, you can say filthy.
Yeah, you gotta get dirty. Nasty, filthy.
If something is extremely dirty, you can say it's filthy.
And my house is a mess, the pool is filthy, my car smells like puke.
The second one is very exciting. Instead of saying very exciting, you can say exhilarating. Exhilarating.
Just enjoying my first exhilarating lacrosse experience.
Number 3 is very clean. Instead of saying very clean, you can say spotless.
Keep it spotless and glorify it.
Are your garments spotless?
When you describe something that is perfectly clean, for example, instead of saying this shirt is very clean, you can say this shirt is spotless.
As the good book says, she was spotless as the Lamb of God.
We're gonna practice all these words in the next part of the lesson, so please make sure you watch this video till the end. The next one is very ugly. You can say it's hideous. Hideous.
And we must discuss this hideous dress.
But please do not use this word for describing people because it's very strong and negative.
I am hideous?
Number 5, very bad. You can say miserable.
Building a railway is a hard, miserable job.
If something is very low in quality, we can say it's miserable.
Look at this sorry, miserable, squashed thing.
The word miserable also means very unhappy.
I'm so miserable in my love life, in my relationship. I always act as like, you know, I'm detached, but I'm dying inside.
When something smells very bad, we can say it's disgusting.
Disgusting.
It's disgusting!
We can also say disgusting when we're talking about food we don't like.
A conversation about eating disgusting food activates a high-level concept of open-mindedness.
Number 6, very good. You can say fabulous.
Hey, fabulous. I love it.
Okay, where is the most fabulous person in the world?
Dorsey is nice.
Or something fabulous.
Fantastic is another one you can use.
Fantastic.
If the weather is very good, you can say the weather is excellent.
Excellent!
Number 7 is very cute. You can say adorable.
She is adorable.
Adorable is used to describe someone that makes you like them, usually because they're very attractive.
It's adorable.
I am adorable.
Hi.
You kids are adorable.
Number 8, very silent. You can say tranquil. Tranquil means calm and peaceful without any noise.
It's so blissful here, so tranquil, so far from all violence and trouble.
The next one is very fast. You can say rapid.
It's a rapid prototyper.
My rapid response units are on full alert, sir.
Number 10 is very perfect. You can say flawless. Flawless.
Yes, the flawless one.
Wow, flawless as always.
Number 11 is very talented. Instead of saying she was a very talented girl, you can say she was a gifted girl.
Yeah, he was truly gifted.
You are gifted, all of you.
You are this like incredibly gifted genius person and you got all these people around you telling you that you can't do shit.
Ingenious is another one you can use.
Ingenious. Thank you, James.
Number 12, very confused. You can say perplexed.
Stop being perplexed or confused or befuddled.
Instead of saying I was very confused, you can say I was perplexed. That means something was difficult to understand and you feel like you didn't get it.
I was somewhat perplexed.
And now we're going to practice what we've learned. You need to improve the words that I highlighted in the sentence. Pause the video and try to remember the new words we have learned. Number 1. Wash your hands. They're very dirty. Wash your hands. They're filthy. Number 2. My first scuba diving was an exciting experience. My first scuba diving was an exhilarating experience. Number 3. She always keeps her room very clean. She always keeps her room spotless. Number 4. She wears a very ugly dress. She wears a hideous dress. Number 5. Jones just failed his exam. He feels very bad, very unhappy. Jones just failed his exam. He feels miserable. Number 6. I can't eat the food. It looks very bad. I can't eat the food. It looks disgusting. Number 7. Your new dress is very good. Your new dress is fabulous. It's a very good idea. It's an excellent idea. Number 8. What a cute little baby. What an adorable little baby. Number 9. Cities were very silent during the lockdown. Cities were tranquil during the lockdown. Number 10. There is a very fast stream in the river. There is a rapid stream in the river. Number 11. She has a very perfect appearance. She has a flawless appearance. Number 12. He is a very talented student. He is a gifted student or he is an ingenious student. Number 13. When the teacher tried to explain a complicated topic, the students looked very confused. When the teacher tried to explain a complicated topic, the students looked perplexed. Okay, that's it for today's lesson. Now I want you to practice these words in sentences. It's an important step in remembering new vocabulary. Please write a comment below this video and write a sentence with one of these advanced words. I hope this lesson was useful for you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me in the comments. If you like this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye!